the larger ramification which the escape of these Italian Marines will have. The Indian Coast Guard have now expressed fear that escape of these Italian Marines will have serious security implication on Indian waters. Coast Guard personnel had arrested the 2 killer Marines on board Enrica Lexi, which was in India's exclusive economic zone. Sources in the Coast Guard say that the Marines fired and killed Indian fishermen who were on a boat with Indian flag. They questioned if India can allow Pakistan or other attackers from other countries to kill Indian nationals and escape with impunity. Let's cut across back to Maha Siddiqui. Maha, clearly the Coast Guard is extremely worried the precedent that this would set.
Absolutely, Preeti, and they have a very valid reason for being worried. Remember, in this case, it was the Coast Guards who were active and who had actually been able to get hold of these 2 Italian Marines who had shot at the Indian fishermen within Indian territorial waters. Remember, the dispute that started even at that time was the fact that Italy did not agree to India's point that this crime took place in Indian waters. They continued to say that it was in international waters and therefore the trial should be conducted in the home country of these Marines, which is Italy. But India at that time stuck to its ground, saying that no, the Coast Guard had seen that this had happened within Indian waters and therefore were taken into custody. That was the basis for the trial happening in India. But there was intense pressure from the day one, Preeti. Let me tell you that their foreign minister, if you remember, had also come to India to put pressure on the Indian government to let these Marines go back and face trial in Italy. The pressure had been going on. After that, we had seen interim relief to these Marines when they had gone back to their country for Christmas break. The Kerala court had, of course, in that case, said let them go. That was based on an MEA. MEA saying that a letter had come from the foreign minister of Italy and that they have no reason to doubt that the Marines will not come back. In the second case, MEA had asked the court to take its view considering the fact that already one relief had been granted and Marines had come back. But this time Italy did play a trick and the great betrayal has come over here with the 2 Marines not coming back now to face trial.